Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make slow cooker lasagna. This feeds many people. It's so delicious, very easy to make. You dump everything in the slow cooker and forget about it. Let's get started. We're going to start by browning some ground beef and Italian sausage. As soon as the meat is fully cooked and no longer pink, take it out of the pan. Then drain out all the excess oil the meat has left in the pan. Once the meat is out of the pan, we're going to saute some diced onion in a little bit of oil. Let the onion brown up a little, then add some minced garlic. Saute the garlic for a few seconds to get flavorful, then pour in some marinara sauce. Next, pour in some beef broth, then add some tomato paste. Next, we're going to add some spices including garlic and onion powder, dried basil and oregano, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Add some fresh parsley, then mix everything together. Add in the cooked ground beef and sausage, stir that in, then allow the sauce to simmer on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, in a mixing bowl, add some ricotta cheese, eggs, Parmesan cheese, and fresh parsley. Mix everything together, then it's time to assemble the lasagna into the slow cooker. For this slow cooker lasagna recipe, we're going to be using dried uncooked lasagna pasta. Layer a little bit of the meat sauce at the bottom of your slow cooker. Next, layer with the dried lasagna pasta sheets. You want to make sure you break them, that way they can fit your slow cooker. Add a layer of the ricotta cheese mixture, then sprinkle with a whole lot of mozzarella cheese. Repeat the process until you get to the very top, which is just going to be a layer of sauce and cheese. Place the slow cooker lid on, then let this slow cook for 4 to 5 hours on low or 3 hours on high. And here is the slow cooker lasagna when it's all done slow cooking. This will make your home smell so good for hours. I garnished with some fresh parsley. This slow cooker lasagna came out so good. Look at all that cheese. Make sure you allow this to sit for about 15 minutes to set before digging in. My kids were too hungry, so I served mine right away. But if you allow it to sit for a little bit, it looks better when you serve it. I served this flavorful slow cooker lasagna with some garlic bread. This is such an easy dinner recipe. Everything came out so delicious. If you would like to make this delicious slow cooker lasagna recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.